Imagine waking up, grabbing your favorite cup of coffee, ginger or green tea like me, and settling into your cozy home office, all while making a difference in someone's life. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you online tutoring platforms where you can apply and create this lifestyle for yourself. You can teach who you want, when you want, and from anywhere you want, provided you have access to the internet, of course. It's a great option if you're looking to earn extra money to supplement your income or support yourself while traveling. It's also ideal if you want to be your own boss. Who doesn't want that? And the fun part, you get to work in your pajamas. So, what kind of English can you teach online? This will depend on your students and their preferences. First, we have the general or conversational English. This involves supporting students to improve their fluency without a clearly defined outcome like exam or a test. Another type of English you can teach online is business English. Business English covers topics like making presentations, writing emails, negotiations, writing proposals, and so much more. And then we have English for exams. You can help students prepare for their school exam, you can help students prepare for IELTS, you can help students prepare for TOEFL exam. You can also help students prepare for GRE. Anyone can be an online English teacher or anyone can be an online teacher. But to be a successful and effective online English teacher, there are some requirements when it comes to equipment. These equipments and requirements are very common in all of the platforms I've been sharing with you on the channel and the ones I'm about to share with you in this video. You need a laptop or a computer, a stable internet connection and a decent internet speed, and your laptop capacity has to be from 8 gig upwards. I think there are some platforms that are set 4 gig, but to be on the safe side, upgrade it. Now we've gotten all of these out of the way, to the platforms that you can apply to. Number one is Cambly.
Cambly is one of the most popular online English as a second language, that's ESL providers. Cambly's requirements for teachers are less stringent than you might expect. What this means is to qualify with Cambly, you need to be human, be legally eligible to work, and be a native English speaker from a native English speaking country. That's it. No transcripts, no background checks, no reference required. You don't need any type of degree or accreditation to be accepted as a Cambly tutor. The tech item checklist you will need to teach with Cambly includes a webcam. Likely don't need to buy this because most laptops have built-in webcams. You will need a headphone with a microphone. Also, most laptops already have microphones. However, to ensure the highest quality audio possible, Cambly expects teachers to utilize inexpensive headphones. You will also need good lighting. You don't need to buy a ring light for this. If you have a window in your room, you can just sit in front of your window. But if you want to invest in this path, then I'll advise you get a ring light. Also worth noting here that for the benefit of the teaching experience, Cambly does not allow teachers to use cell phones or tablets. And finally, yes, you need a steady fast internet connection. The application process for Cambly is simple and straightforward. I'll leave the links to all the websites I'll be mentioning in the description. So to get started, head over to the tutor sign up page. You can use your Google account, your Facebook account, but just key in your email address and password, and that's it. Fill out the form to complete your Cambly profile. You'll have supplemental questions to answer, your connection test, and you also have to create a 2-minute introductory video. This will serve as your introduction to potential students. So it's important that you not only impress the Cambly hiring manager responsible for reviewing your application, but also your prospective students once you are hired. So take this 2-minute video seriously. Now let's talk money. The pay rates are between $10 per hour for regular classes. That's if you're taking adult classes from 18 plus, and $12 per hour for Cambly kids if you are tutoring kids.
So that's it for Cambly. Before we move on to the next platform, kindly like this video so that it can reach a wider audience. When you like each video I post on this channel, YouTube sees it as a valuable content to push out to a lot of people. So kindly give this video a like, and if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do that. It will mean a lot to me, and then you get to learn a lot on the channel.
Join the growth tribe.
Up next, we have Native Camp. I have shared this platform with you before on the channel. I've gotten feedbacks from people who have actually applied and saw it till the end. I will look for the comment somewhere and put it here. And the email I received from a subscriber. He said the wife applied to Native Camp and was accepted. If you're a Nigerian or any of the African countries like Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, I know I have subscribers from all of these places. Perish the idea that, oh, I'm from Nigeria or I'm from Africa, I will not be accepted.
All you need to get started on Native Camp is that you are at least 18 years of age. No teaching experience is required. Training and teaching materials will always be available to you. You need a laptop or a PC with a webcam, headset with a microphone, stable and quick internet connection, Google Chrome or Mozilla. Let's explore some of the benefits of working with Native Camp as an online English teacher. You will have flexible working hours. Of course, you'll be working from home, performance-based salary, bonuses based on your performance. Again, no prior teaching experience required. Training and teaching material will always be available. Now, before we click apply, let's go through the application process. The application process requires various steps you need to go through, but it's quick and easy. You'll be carrying out all the steps online, so you don't need to worry about anything. For step 1, you need to have an email address. Now, if you don't have an official email address by now, this is your sign. Just go to Google and type Gmail and sign up. It's that easy. Sign up with your first and last name. Step 2, you fill out your information. Step 3, you take the English proficiency test. Don't be afraid. This is very easy. The English proficiency test is very easy. As long as you are a native English speaker, the questions are very basic and you have just one shot at it. But don't be scared. Okay, step 4, you have a system check with one of Native Camp's admins. When you excel on the test, an admin from Native Camp will contact you to run a check on the device you're using. This is nothing to worry about. They're just making sure that you have the basic requirements to become an online English teacher with Native Camp. Okay, so step 5 is you complete the self-learning program online. You go through the study materials, and after that, you would take the demo lesson. The demo lesson is where someone from Native Camp will act as a student while you teach the person English. But all you need for this demo lesson will be provided for you. Step 6, you have the demo lesson online. Yeah, I've spoken about this already. So it says here, after you have studied the teaching materials, please proceed to the demo lesson with our admins. Step 7, finish your registration, fill out more details about yourself in order to start working as an online English teacher. Step 8, voila, you have just become our teacher. Now, I hope your Gmail account is ready. Once you're ready to apply, all you need to do is click on apply now. If you have any questions, you go to the FAQ section and explore some of the questions there. Frequently asked questions on account registration, technical issues, application requirements, system check, demo lesson, teaching and learning. So if you have any further questions, just explore the FAQ section, and I hope your questions will be answered here.
Take the test, study the material, and do your demo lesson. Moving on to the next platform, which is Preply.
Preply is a major online ESL provider. Let's talk about the pros and cons of working with Preply. The first and cool one is that you can set your own rates based on your experience and other qualifications. Number 2 is flexible scheduling. You can schedule classes as you please. Number 3 is the easy application process. So on Preply, there is a significant competition for students. Preply does not list any specific requirements on its website to become a Preply tutor. However, the general requirements would be good interpersonal communication skills, passion for teaching. Being a native English speaker is preferred but not required. You don't need any prior experience. For the technical requirements, of course, you will need basic tech skills, basic equipment such as laptop, microphone, webcam, and stable internet connection. Depending on the language or subject you wish to teach, certification may be required.
Is Amazing Talker. Amazing Talker is just like Preply. They are not limited to just language or English, but also various subjects. You can teach music, you can teach arts, and even yoga. To become an Amazing Talker tutor, there are a few key qualifications and requirements you need to keep in mind. First, you need to be fluent in English. Of course, this is applicable to almost all the platforms. If you want to teach English, you need to be fluent in English. Have a degree in English or related fields. Have experience in one-on-one tutoring or related classroom experience. If you're Nigerian and you're watching this and you did your NYSC in a school, please don't tell yourself you don't have one-on-one experience. You do. That's an experience. Add it to your CV, add it to your portfolio. Okay? Another requirement for Amazing Talker is that you need to have a boss mindset. So if you meet these qualifications and you resonate with the idea of being an independent tutor, apply to Amazing Talker. Create an account and apply.
First website where you can become a math tutor is Yup. So on this website, you can work when you want, grow your skills, and make a real difference. To become a tutor, this is the application process. A written application, you take a math proficiency exam rather. You go through a teaching exam. Number 4 is demonstration sections. You can teach algebra, geometry, trigonometry, pre-calculus, and statistics. Go through the website, and if it's a good fit for you, you apply. Schooly. This is on the website. They say here, Schooly connects students with only the best online tutors, which is why our tutors are paid more than other online tutoring platforms. Start tutoring with Schooly and earn more. Tutoring on Schooly is easy. Students can schedule sections in advance or request instant help if you're online. You can tutor students on one-on-one from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection and a computer. So the first step is to apply as a tutor. Get approved. If you're a good fit for Schooly, a Schooly team member will reach out to schedule a call to discuss your qualifications, questions, and next steps. This is the first step toward becoming a Schooly tutor. Who can become a Schooly online tutor? Schooly tutors are professional teachers and subject area experts holding one of the following sets of credentials. Helps our team identify you as a top tutor. Now, what are the credentials? A bachelor's degree or higher in related field, government-issued teaching license, specialized instructor qualification. Let's talk money. Schooly tutors earn a competitive hourly rate which is based on their qualifications and experience. So your earning is based on your qualifications and your experience. So go through the website, the link is in the description, and if you find it to be a perfect fit for you, you apply. 3 websites where you can apply as a math tutor and start earning online. I was not paid by any of these companies to make this video. This is just an opportunity I came across and decided to share with you.
I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.